Yeah, welcome to my review of the Eliteng, basically a PCIe to USB 3 expansion card. And this is just the packaging. This is something that I've needed for a little while because I don't have any USB ports free, and because I was never going to use the lower PCIe basically slot on my motherboard. I could utilise something like this, would come in very useful for me. I did not want a USB hub because I don't have a spare power socket and I don't have another port free. And this is just the contents. You get two screws which go obviously into your motherboard. This is the, I guess, warranty information or for support. Eliteng create and resolve. This is just basically instructions. If you've got Windows 8 or 10, you don't need drivers, and anything below, it gives you all the information if you do need them. I've gone into more information this later on when I go through like basically the Amazon listing, because it's a good way of describing the actual contents. But that's obviously in a couple of minutes time, and you get a driver CD, which is not that useful because not many people actually have driver, disk drives anymore. Most people obviously don't have a drive at all, so you have to download it. And here is the main thing, and it's obviously in an anti-static bag. Obviously for this video I've had to actually try it, then I've had to put it back in just to show you what it looks like. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. Eliteng's really nice build from what I can see. Obviously that's how it sits. Oops, the camera losing focus. And obviously for USB 3, I do describe in a few minutes time my actual use case, which is a Xbox One controller. I've tried it with a USB 3 hard drive plugged in at the same time, a cable to power my monitor, and another cable to power my little speaker on top of my monitor. Obviously that my monitor and my small speaker that sits on top of my screen, I've both reviewed those so you both can see what they look like, and I've powered them all at the same time with no issues. And this is just me holding it. It looks really nice, the build quality, and I paid £16.49 for it. So this is how it sits in my PC. I chose the very bottom one because if I went to the one higher up, it would actually block, as you can see, the left graphics card fan. And obviously my motherboard, as you can see there, is a B450 Gaming Pro Carbon AC from MSI. And for my use case, it works perfect. And obviously there's the one screw holding it on, as you can see on the left. I've used the existing motherboard screw with no issues at all. And that's just what it looks like. So here is basically the Amazon link. I paid £16.49 for it, as you can see. And yeah, it is a USB 3 expansion card. Well, the full title is a PCIe to USB 3 expansion card. And I bought this because I don't have any USB ports left, and I didn't want to use a USB hub because things can act kind of weird on it, to be honest. And it would utilise another port that I don't actually have, and I don't have a spare power socket. I thought this would be suitable because nothing would ever go into that motherboard PCIe slot like ever. So this is why I looked at this. I've used it for a few days, it seems fine. I'll quickly run through the Amazon listing. As you can see, it supports all of those, no issues whatsoever. It is 4 USB 3 ports. In my use case, that's not really a big deal. I'm using it primarily to power devices and my Xbox One controller. So I'll come down. There's a few that use this type of connector, but luckily mine does not use it, and that's why I bought this one in particular. So that's what it looks like. Obviously I've already shown you some clips of it. So that's obviously how it fits in. 4 USB 3. I'll come down. Basically support for Windows 10 and Windows 8 don't need drivers, and that is correct. It does include the driver CD as I've shown you, the small one, but for my use case there is no issue whatsoever. And here is this basically describes it's hot swappable, which is correct. Like any other USB port you have, it works perfectly fine. Obviously it displays here supports up to 4 USB 3. In my use case, I have tried all 4 ports at once. One was with a USB 3 portable hard drive, so it's doing power and data over the same port instead of one that uses like wall or socket power, and it performed perfectly fine. It was slightly slower than using a normal USB 3 port, but in reality it's not really a big difference. I've used my Xbox One controller with it at the same time, and a USB 3 that powers my little monitor, my one I reviewed probably over 12 months ago, and I'm using it to power my little speaker, the Advent one, which I reviewed a few months ago as well. So I'm using all 4 at once with no issues. It says about the actual chip, up to 10 years of life of operation. I hope it does. High quality PCB, I hope that as well. But for my few days with it, it works perfectly fine. Oops, a bit too far. So yeah, here's what it's compatible with: PCIe 1x4x8x16, 64-bit as most people are on. So I'm using 64-bit. Windows 10, no issues. Obviously it's USB 3, PCIe input interface as you do. Backwards compatible. Obviously includes the USB 3 itself. Mine includes 2 screws, small CD, and obviously what it's not compatible with. And that is probably the best way to describe it. And obviously similar items, and this person had a issue with it, but personally I didn't. That says an office PC, but that might be an old one. But with my use case, it works perfectly fine, like no issues at all. And obviously you've seen it. So you come on to the conclusion. This, for my use case, it works really well, and maybe for your use case it works well. For £16.49, I'm really happy with what I have. This may or may not, like I say, suit you, but for me it works perfect. It depends on your use case, but as I have that free PCI slot at the bottom, this is a perfect addition for me to help me out on my motherboard. And that's it. If you like what I do, give me a like, a subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I might do more of these videos as they're quite different, and take care.